KAMVAS pen display. For young people at your age, we have KAMVAS to make your creation special. Amazingly, 11.8mm only in thickness, and lighter than a book. Easy to carry? Yeah, absolutely. What's more, for stylish teens like you, color option should be the last thing to forget. Only one color? No way. Besides, size options. There is always a right size of pen display to fit into the position you draw. On your desk, your lap. Annoying glare will also be out of sight, as we have a full laminated IPS screen where you can find an anti-glare film attached on the surface. Viewing angle 178 degrees. And color gamut 120% sRGB. Cable connection gets easier with choices of ports. Now your PC, mobile phone, and even your Switch can all be easily connected and used as you wish. And 8 programmable press keys would maximize your productivity, just like this. Bingo! You will have a battery-free pen to come with the KAMVAS pen display. Higher accuracy, smoother lines, and more lifelike drawing experience now all come true with HUION PenTech 3.0 battery-free pen. Lines created under 8,192 pen pressure levels and 5,080 LPI pen resolution are organic in shape and constant as the pen moves. Need some shading? No problem, because brush tilt with angles ranging from -60 to 60 degrees are all recognizable on our KAMVAS pen display. Oh right, your KAMVAS may also need a gorgeous stand to enable you a best angle to work. See? So special, easy to carry, colorful, and energetic.